FRMI, stock analysis price predictions news. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I am the only guy in the space having done 47,000 videos over 5 years, and I've documented them all. And truly speaking, with Fermi Incorporated, it is interesting because we shifted above the range, right? So this is not a bearish market no more because it shifted. We have shifted. Let's go. It doesn't immediately put it like in a... I'm not like gonna be crazy bullish here. I mean, like with every ticker, it's a demand, like it's a bullish range, you know. And so what this means is that only if it's sort of the price pulls down into my demand zone, it gives me a double break from there, would I look to take it further up, right? But like randomly buying, still not the way that I'll do my things, right? And so why my things? Well, bro, I'm just sticking to my strategy. No need to just try and reinvent the wheel. I'll stick to what's working. And so if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.